ACEA state that in 2019, almost 1 in every 5 trucks, vans and buses around the world were produced in the European Union. Many European OEMs often also have established regional production facilities, meaning that global engine technology platforms are becoming more and more common around the world.
Although ACEA represents Europe, the new specifications are extremely important in all regions, as the engine oil manufacturers change their hardware to meet changing regulations in emissions, fuel economy, and a variety of other things that are affecting their hardware.
So it's key for oil markets and end users to comply with the latest ACEA sequence to ensure that their product line is up to date with the latest trends in the industry.
From a European perspective, the latest update to the sequences incorporates Euro 6 hardware that focuses on steel piston deposits.
And the focus on ACEA E8 and E11 really builds on the fact that new vehicles entering the market are almost always equipped with a diesel particulate filter. By having characteristics such as lower levels of sulfated ash, phosphorus and sulfur in the lubricant, it means that advanced after-treatment devices are a realistic approach to reducing emissions. And both of these categories mean that OEMs can produce and sell trucks with a much lower risk of premature damage to hardware and equipment.
Although lubricants in Southeast Asia tend to be more API focused, API does not have requirement for biodiesel or biocompatibility testing, while ACEA calls for biodiesel testing like the L109. So ACEA is actually very relevant for Southeast Asian market.
China is going to adopt more stringent emission regulations. The implementation of ACEA E8 will provide after-treatment protection, together with the option for OEMs to explore extended oil drain interval performance for their China 6 vehicles.
50% of all formulations used in Latin America for heavy-duty diesel has some kind of ACEA specification. This new update in the ACEA category brings the higher oxidation protection. That is very important in our region, since those vehicles tend to operate at higher temperatures.
With the new specifications is the inclusion of the T13 test, and that's extremely important in North America. They're important globally because oxidation leads to acid, sludge, and varnish formation, oil thickening, and ultimately potential decomposition of the oil.
Overall, fleet owner-operators can rest assured that no matter where they are in the world, a lubricant approved to an ACEA sequence will provide them with the correct levels of performance in the market.
As we move to more fuel-efficient lubricants, we're going to see a decrease in the viscosity, which changes the protection requirements of the lubricant, and future ACEA tests and ACEA categories will reflect that. The heavy-duty or the commercial vehicle sector has played an essential role in the global supply chain, moving goods around the world, and that will continue to be important as we move forward into the future.